Hi everybody, welcome back to Rockwell Process Consulting, and we're talking about the 10 easy steps to start your own company. Today we're talking about step number 8, and that is registering your business. So the previous 7 steps is actually putting everything together, and once you've done all that and you've got all those steps completed, then you can register your business. That costs a little bit of money, so it's at the back end, and you can do that once you're ready. So typically, that's probably going to be a few $100 to register your company with your state. And there's a link I'll put in the description below for California, since that's where I'm at. And you can take a look at that website or a couple of websites. I'll put a few links there. And you can see what kind of resources there are. You can go through. There's some steps on how to complete that process. It's very informative, very easy to follow. And then you can look at your own state and find the resources there. But the California one can be just one more additional resource for you. And you just follow those simple steps on there. It's a little bit of work, but fairly straightforward. I actually did hire mine out to my accountant with a few other things, just to streamline the process for me and make my time a little bit more efficient. So that was what I did. I actually outsourced that. And then it's just a few clicks and signs to get that process completed. So if you have any other questions about that, go ahead and leave them in the comments. And if you'd like to subscribe to the channel, every like, comment, and subscription helps. Really appreciate it. And we'll see you next time.